माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
oath or affirmation. Secretary General.
गोवा श्री विनय डी तेंदुलकर।
हांव विनय दिनू तेंडुलकर राज्यसभेचो वांगडी म्हूण वेंचून आयिल्ल्यान देवाक स्मरून सोपूत घेता की हांव कायद्यान घडयिल्ले भारताचे घटनेचेर पुराय श्रद्धा दवरतलों, तशेंच भारताची सार्वभौमताय आनी अखंडताय राखून दवरतलों आनी जे कर्तव्य कर्म हांव हातांत घेतलो ते निश्ठेन तडीक लायतलों.
Papers to be laid on the table, Dr. Harshvardhan. Papers, please. Papers, please. Papers, please.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of today's list of business.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 of today's list of business.
श्री राम कृपाल यादव।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सभा के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूँ।
डॉक्टर संजीव कुमार बालियान।
I rise to lay the papers mentioned against my name in today's list of business at serial number 4 on the table of the House.
श्री मनसुख एल मंडाविया।
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 5 in today's list of business.
Message from the Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 28th of July 2017 passed the Indian Institutes of Management Bill 2017. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Shri Shamshad Singh Manhas.
सर, नवीन और नवीनीकरणीय ऊर्जा मंत्रालय के संबंध में राष्ट्रीय सौर मिशन मूल्यांकन विषय पर विभाग संबंधित ऊर्जा संबंधी संसदीय राज्य समिति की ओर से 200 अंग्रेजी 1 प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Thank you. Statements by ministers. Shri Piyush Goyal.
I rise to lay a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 25th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel on demands for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Mines.
Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balian.
Sir, I rise to lay the statement on the table of the House mentions against my name today's list of business which are related to 10th report of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources.
Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Y.S. Chaudhary, I rise to lay on the table of the House this statement listed against his name in serial number 3 in today's revised list of the business.
If all of you speak, what do I do? If all of you speak, I will, okay, point over, I will allow, but no, why all of you speak? Or why all of you speak like this?
पुनर्वास नहीं हुआ है। मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि माननीय मंत्री जी आकर इस पर चर्चा करें। मैं खुद उनके पास गया था, उनके साथ चर्चा हुई, लेकिन उसके बाद भी अभी तक चर्चा करने की कोशिश है।
Have you given notice?
माननीय सदन के नेता विराजमान हैं, मैं
चर्चा के लिए नोटिस देना है।
करता हूं कि इसमें माननीय मंत्री जी आज 31 जुलाई को आज हजारों परिवार डूब जाएंगे। आप इस पर चर्चा न कराएं तो कम से कम
Have you given notice? Have you given notice?
Sir, I had given notice number of times. Unfortunately, no one is taking notice of that, sir.
Okay, that will be examined.
So, but sir, we want a statement from the leader of the house or the minister. Let them respond. Sir,
Okay.
also at the same time,
All right.
sir, Mahatma Gandhi
नरेश अग्रवाल
संविधान के आर्टिकल 74 और 75।
Okay, you made your point. You give notice. Notice will be examined.
Sir, you must insist
No, notice
on
will-
your house to give a statement.
That
आर्टिकल 74 और 75। श्रीमान 75
I
में
think you raised the same thing the last day also.
75 में मंत्रियों की उत्तरदायित्व जीत
One
गया
second,
है।
one second. Let me check it.
उसका
I am not an
75
expert.
का खा देखिए 75 का खा
okay.
बी जो है बी में दिया हुआ है कि मंत्री परिषद लोकसभा के प्रति उत्तरदायी होगी। लोकसभा मतलब दोनों हाउस हो गए। श्रीमान मैं निरंतर इधर देख रहा हूं जब से सदन चल रहा है, इस सरकार के तमाम मंत्री सदन चलते वक्त विदेश के दौरे पर, बाहर दौरे पर, यहाँ पर जवाब से कतराते हैं। तमाम मंत्रियों के दौरे लग गए, कुछ मंत्री विदेश जाने के लिए सदन के दौरान तैयार है। ये क्या मंत्री की जिम्मेदारी नहीं है कि सदन मंत्री के इशारे पे नहीं चलेगा, सदन के इशारे पे मंत्री चलेगा। तमाम मंत्री सदन को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, बाहर जवाब दे रहे हैं।
No, please. नरेश अग्रवाल जी,
मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ,
No,
मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता हूँ,
नरेश अग्रवाल जी,
विदेश जा रहे हैं,
No, see, Naresh Agarwal ji, is any business of the house has been hampered by the absence or going of any minister? That has not happened. Then why do you raise it here? No.
इस सदन को
Chair is
अगर सदन इस बात पे चलेगा कि मंत्री उपलब्ध है कि नहीं, अगर सदन को ये डायरेक्शन होगा कि मंत्री की उपलब्धता पे ही ये सदन में चीजें उठाई जाएंगी, फिर कैसे चलेगा?
ठीक है,
ये तो
आप जो
मंत्री की जिम्मेदारी है,
I understood.
जब तक सदन चले तब तक।
अरे आप जो बोला ठीक है, मैंने को समझ में आया। सी अगर मंत्री जी को कोई बिजनेस है हाउस में, मंत्री जी जरूर हाउस में होना है, लेकिन बिजनेस ना हो, मंत्री जी को दूसरा काम भी है, वो भी करना है।
अगर आज हाउस में कोई इंपॉर्टेंट इशू उठ जाता है,
yes, I agree. If the concerned minister has a particular business in the house, the minister has to be available in the house. But you cannot on that ground prevent a minister from going out or for going for other works. Now sit down. Now sit down. What is Tiwari?
मुझे बुला लिया
No, क्या है तिवारी?
सर इस हाउस के बहुत सीनियर मेंबर।
No, on what rule you are raising? What is the point?
267 में I have given the notice. I want to.
No, notice है तो I will call you. Yes, sit down. I will call you. 267 I will give you opportunity. What is budget? Then. What is your point?
Yeah, my point of order is 77 years ago, Shahidi Azam Udham Singh was hanged in a London jail.
So how is it point of order today?
So आज नहीं मेरी गुजारिश सारे हाउस को ये है आज 2 मिनट का साइलेंस उनके लिए
That is not a point of order, please.
So it is most
you
important.
Give notice.
Parliament is in session.
No, if you want to raise that,
was not in session. बात और Shahidi Azam Udham Singh,
if you want to raise that matter, I have no objection. Give a notice. I have no objection. Give a notice. Acha, I will 26. Saraj Yadav ji 267. What? Saraj Yadav ji. Saraj Yadav ji क्या है? Saraj Yadav ji. I'll call you, Mr. I'll call you. Saraj Yadav ji.
मानवर
Saraj Yadav ji. No, notice ही आ गई. Saraj Yadav ji notice ही आ गया, इसलिए आप बैठिए. अब notice ही आ गया, इसलिए हाँ.
सर.
No, I have only 3 notice. 267.
मैं मामला उठाना चाहता हूँ. आपके माध्यम से डिफेंस मिनिस्टर और सदन के नेता भी यहाँ
जेटली साहब हैं, हिंदुस्तान में जब हिंदुस्तान गुलाम था तो 16 फैक्ट्री थी या 21 थी। आज 41 जो सुरक्षा ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्रीज हैं वो 41 हैं। 600 आइटम उनमें बनते हैं मंत्री जी, उसमें से 200 आउटसोर्स कर दिए गए। और आपको मालूम होगा कि मैं जबलपुर से 2 बार चुनाव लड़ा हूँ। सबसे ज़्यादा डिफेंस का, सबसे ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्री जो है व्हीकल से लेकर, ऑर्डिनेंस से लेकर, GCF से लेकर सारे कारखाने वहाँ पे हैं। वो शहर पूरा तरह से इसी पे चलता है। मेरी आपके माध्यम से सरकार से विनती है कि यहाँ बहुत दिन से कर्मचारी जो हैं वो 25 दिन से भूख हड़ताल पे बैठे हुए हैं। मैं आपके माध्यम से, बहुत गंभीर मामला है, किस तरह चीन बोल रहा है, किस तरह हालत है, इसलिए सुरक्षा के जो संस्थान हैं वो हमारी सुरक्षा के सबसे बड़े मित्र हैं और बाजू में खड़े हुए हैं। यदि उनके आइटम जो है वो व्हीकल फैक्ट्री बंद हो गई, तो इसलिए मेरी आपके माध्यम से इतनी विनती है कि सरकार को इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
तिवारी, व्हाट इज योर 267? Okay, associate. Okay. Tiwari, you are 267?
Sir.
What is your 267?
Sir.
Sit down. There is nothing I have not allowed. I only heard him and 267 not allowed. Tiwari?
सर, श्री राज बब्बर इस सदन के वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं। कई बार वो राज्यसभा के सदस्य रहे हैं, आज भी हैं।
क्या हो गया?
सर, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं ना सर।
No, you are mentioning about another member. That is not what I want to. What is your issue? 267 issue.
267 में मैं जो उठा रहा हूं, I want to brief you. The entire house should take note of that. सर, श्री राज बब्बर जी, एक गांव में, डोडा गांव है उत्तर प्रदेश के अंबेडकर नगर में, वहां बगैर लीगल प्रोसेस को फॉलो किए, बिना नोटिस दिए, बिना मुआवजा दिए, उस गांव में जबरदस्ती किसानों के घर गिराए गए। 1-2 के नहीं, कई किसानों के। सर, सीरियस मैटर।
No. What is the point of raising it here?
और श्री राज बब्बर, कोई वहां पे पासपोर्ट और वीजा की जरूरत नहीं थी।
राज बब्बर is sitting member.
प्रदेश अध्यक्ष।
Let me come and say if he has a complaint.
Please, just listen to me. This is the important issue.
No. Raj Bhabbar is a sitting member. If he has a complaint, he can come and say here.
Member of the house, that is the NH, National Highway. That concerns the central government. That's why I'm asking.
No, Tiwari, I'm not allowing.
Notice दिए, बिना legal form
No, Tiwari, I am not allowing. Listen.
चार्ज हुआ है।
अब सुनिए।
वो कल से धरने पे बैठे हुए हैं।
अरे why do you?
आप एक मेंबर को प्रोटेक्शन नहीं दे सकते।
No. Not allowed. Not allowed.
कहना चाहता हूँ।
No, if Raj Bhabbar has a complaint, he should come and say. Why should he say?
एक मेंबर पे बल प्रयोग किया गया है। जब एक मेंबर पे बल प्रयोग किया जाए, जबरदस्ती उन्हें रोका जाए, कल से श्री राज बब्बर
he can come and complain. He can give a privilege notice if he wants. No, not allowed. What is Madhusan? Why you? Raj Bhabbar is an honorable member of this house. If he has a complaint, he can come and raise it. If he feels his rights are obstructed, he can give a privilege notice. Sit down. Now, Madhusudan Mistry, what is your point? Madhusudan Mistry, what's your point?
Tiwari.
Not allowed. Okay. Madhusudan Mistry, what is the point?
Please, sir. House is in session. We are representatives of the people. If a member of this house is today unable to attend the proceedings because he has been prevented from meeting the people, there has been a lathi charge, he has been injured.
He can give a complaint.
No, he will give a complaint when he is in a position to come here. So, the UP government, the government can ask for a report. Because the house is in session. Let the government ensure its security, safety, so that he can come. And when he comes here, he can narrate what has happened to him.
Are you saying that he is unable to come because of lack of
he
security?
He has been injured.
Is it
he
that?
He has been assaulted.
वो हॉस्पिटल में है भर्ती।
Okay then. No. See, your state now, Mr. Anand Sharma. Anand Sharma, you have given another twist, so it has become important now. Let me say. Now you are saying, yeah. Now I understood. Tiwari raised it. Now Mr. Anand Sharma is saying that a particular member cannot come to the house because of lack of security and because some, that is what you are saying.
Lathi charge by
Yes,
the police,
yes.
and they are sitting there on a dharna, they can't move from there.
So, okay.
They are surrounded by the police.
Yeah.
Surrounded by the police.
Dharna, he can't be present at two places. He can come out, move out of the dharna and come
Why?
here.
He is there on an issue. He has been beaten up. So
No, that is
let
a
the report
different
come.
matter. No. No, Anand Sharma ji, I tell you, there is a difference between the two. If he is sitting on a dharna, on a particular issue, and if that has to be solved, it is there for that government to do. That's a different matter. But I am concerned only over one thing. I am concerned only over the one thing. If that member is prevented from coming to the house, then I am concerned, then I can ask the government to inquire about it. But are you saying that that member is prevented from coming to this house? Are you saying that? No. Oh, then it is for the state government to deal. Then it is not for me to deal with that. Sit down. Madhusudan Mistry. Yes, I have made it very clear. Madhusudan Mistry, what is your point? Jaldi bolo.
Sir, Pramod, sir,
No,
stop him now.
Tiwari not allowed. Tiwari, that is over. Tiwari, sit down. Tiwari, sit down. Madhusudan Mistry, what's your point?
सर मैं इस हाउस का ध्यान गुजरात की अरे बैठिए ना बोलने दीजिए ना यार
Sit down. He has given notice. He has given notice 267. I have to listen to him. Sit down. Sit down. He has given 267 notice. I have to listen to him and then decide whether it is to be admitted or not. You can't do that. You say what is your point?
सर मैं गुजरात के अंदर अभी जो कुछ 8वीं तारीख को जो राज्यसभा का चुनाव होने जा रहा है उसके बारे के अंदर जो गतिविधियां चल रही है उसके ऊपर मैं आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं सर।
No, this was raised yesterday. This was raised already.
No, sir.
This was already raised. This was raised.
Sir, there are lot of other development after that.
This was
There are
already.
lot of other development. A police officer was used to threaten.
No.
Not to allow.
This issue was.
And the MLAs were kidnapped. In fact, they are offered 10 crore, 15 crore rupees. And this government.
This issue was already raised. No. Sit down. This issue was already raised. This issue. No. Last Friday it was raised, and therefore I am not allowing it. It was already raised. Already raised.
जहाँ पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी का प्रेसिडेंट
No. It was already raised. It was already raised. It was last Friday. It was already raised. No. It was already raised. Already raised. No. Anyhow, I am not allowing 267. Anyhow, yes. Anyhow, I am not allowing 267.
सर ये इशू ये पहली बार उठा चुके हैं अब गुजरात में जो है
I am not allowing 267
की तलाश चल रही है इनके
नकवी what you want to say?
में बाढ़ आई
Mr. Naqvi.
और उस बाढ़ में उनके प्रतिनिधियों को वहाँ की जनता ढूंढ रही है और उनके प्रतिनिधियों को कांग्रेस पार्टी उनका अपहरण करके एक हॉलिडे होम में उसने ले जा करके हॉलिडे रिजॉर्ट में रखा है आप उस पर चर्चा कर लो आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि आज जब गुजरात का आम आदमी बाढ़ से त्राई कर रहा है उनका एमएलए उनका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हॉलिडे होम में हॉलिडे रिसोर्ट में एंजॉय कर रहे हैं पिकनिक मना रहे हैं तो आप उस पर चर्चा कर लो आज जो है इनको अपना घर संभालते नहीं बनना है इन्होंने अपहरण करके वहां के एमएलए को एक हॉलिडे रिसोर्ट में रखा हुआ है इस पर नहीं बता रही है
You see, Mr. Mistry, government says they are ready for discussion if you want. You give another notice if you want discussion. But don't disturb the house. Don't disrupt the house. No. No, please. No, please. Please, Mistry, please. No, please. No, please. Now see, please. Now listen, Jason. You listen. You listen. You please listen. Now please. Please. Arrest Hussain Delwai. Please. You see, listen. Please. No, I crave your indulgence. Both sides. With folded hands, I am requesting you, please listen to me. With folded hands. See, the same issue was raised on Friday. And Friday, let me complete. No, let me complete. Let me complete. I asked you to allow me. No, please, सुनिए. इतना patience दिखाइए. सुनिए. Friday, because of this, the same issue raised from the opposition side and the reply from the treasury benches, there was a lot of commotion. And both sides came to the well. They were shouting of slogans also. And I was forced to adjourn the House on Friday on the same issue. And on the same issue, Honorable LOP raised here in the House. He explained it, for which also then the concerned minister, and Mr. Naqvi replied. Now I heard Mr. Naqvi saying that if the opposition wants, government is ready for a discussion on this subject. That is what he said. No, if you want discussion, give separate notice. Separate notice. So that is all. Give separate notice. Give AK Selvaraj, 0 over AK Selvaraj, 0 over AK Selvaraj.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. On February 15, 2017, the central government announced the award of contract for development and extraction of hydrocarbon from Nedvasal, a little known village in Pudukkottai district in Tamil Nadu. The people of this tiny village are in agitation in many forms continuously since then, running to hundreds of days. The region's farmers fear that hydrocarbon extraction will disturb the comfortable agrarian economy extant in this region. Nedvasal is located in an area rich in groundwater and blessed with the fertile soil of the delta. Unlike the lower reaches of the delta, where agriculture is in distress, Nedvasal still has a healthy multi-crop farm economy.
That is members' business, not government business.
In 2008-2009,
members का है क्यों ऑब्जेक्ट करते हैं?
For 3 months after the well was done, they would burn the gas. Sometimes the gas would burn orange, black smoke, and sometimes blue with no smoke. Fields damaged by oil leaks are never restored.
What do I do?
Lesser compensation after lands damaged by oil takes to recover. Incidents of gas leaks and the threat of fire in residential areas and to the
13 members are given notice for 0 over.
The then Honorable
What about their rights?
Dr. Puratchi Thalaivi Amma.
What about their rights? The rights of the members who are given 0 over notice.
Had also demanded
what do I do with that?
To stop the extraction of hydrocarbon from
Jaya Bachchan is giving notice for the 4th day.
Given any license to
Jaya Bachchan is giving notice for the 4th day. Jaya Bachchan giving. And why don't you allow that?
Therefore, I urge upon the union government to forcefully stop the extension of hydrocarbon.
I am requesting the honourable members. I have 13 notice for 0 over. Rights of those members who are given 0 over. That is also to be protected. It is not only your rights. Those members' rights also should be protected. So please cooperate. Please go back. Both sides. You also go sit down. You also sit down. Take your seat. Take your seat. You go and take your seat. Please go back. See. No. If you have something against the government, why should you obstruct these members? Mistri, if you have something against the government, why do you obstruct these members? Tell me. Please go. Please go. Mr. Anand Sharma ji, you are deputy leader. Please allow me to take up 0 over, please. Because it is their right. I am requesting Anand Sharma ji. Slogan shouting say no use. By slogan shouting, you will achieve nothing. Slogan shouting, you will achieve nothing. Areba, allow this, please. You give notice. You give notice. Anand Sharma ji, I am requesting the deputy leader, Anand Sharma ji. Government is ready for discussion. You can give another notice. We will consider that notice. Now let me call this 0 over, because those who have given notice 0 over, it is their right. You are obstructing their rights. Now please go back.
उनके विधायकों को अगवा किया जा रहा है, उनके परिवार के लोगों को डराया जा रहा है, शासन तंत्र का।
Now please. Please. Okay, Sri Mudhugarappan, ab jaiye. Now go, please, Mudhugarappan. Now please go.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I would like to raise the issue urgently to draw the attention of the government.
Let us say, why do you obstruct the members' right?
Take immediate steps to.
If you are grievance about the government, why do you object the members? It is 0 over is members' time.
Honorable
It is members.
Now is headed by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Edappadi K. Palaniswamy. On 27/7/2017, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Edappadi
I can listen here. I can very well hear Mudhugarappan.
Tamil Nadu fishermen issue.
You can't hear.
Presence of
What do I do?
Prime Minister of India.
You tell me.
You
can do them.
In Mandapam and Rameswaram,
you do that.
After dedicating memorial to the former President of India to the nation. On 27/7/2017.
You use your good office. Use your good office.
The newspapers by Sri Lankan government release of 75 fishermen and 42 fishing boats by the Sri Lankan government. The state of Tamil Nadu, that is Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr.
Tapan Kumar ji, what should I do?
Thanks letter to the.
You want me to adjourn the house?
Prime Minister of India. Sir, the permanent solution to solve the problems between fishermen of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lankan Navy is, as per my leader, Honorable Ammas, already taken the decision of number 1, retrieval of Kachativu. Agreement of 1977 and 76 are unconstitutional because which were not placed and passed by our Indian Parliament. We have sufficient authenticated records towards Kachativu is owner of the properties Ramnath Raja. So the Tamil Nadu fishermen have traditional fishing rights in Park Bay. The another important point is, sir, Honorable Amma Dr. Purochi Talavi, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, had taken a stand that refixation of international maritime boundary line, which would alone bring a lasting solution to this vexatious issues. The recent legislation enacted in the Sri Lankan Parliament regarding impounding and levying huge penalties is creating a sense of fear and unrest among the fishermen community of Tamil Nadu. I am thankful to the Prime Minister of India and Foreign Ministry to release of 75 fishermen and 42 boats by the Sri Lankan government. I urge upon the government of India and Foreign Ministry to intervene immediately to secure, to release the rest of their fishermen and rest of 105 fishing boats from Sri Lankan government. Thank you very much.
Now stop.
Finish.
Okay. Ramamurthy. Ramamurthy, please. Now please, Mr. Muhammad Ali Khan. Ali Khan. Now you stop. Okay. House is adjourned for 10 minutes. 10 मिनट के लिए